Munzee to me is fun. Look at all these people and places that I've gotten to see over the years. I mean, you can see my son learning to drive in a parking lot while I walk around and capture Munzees that are on lampposts. I've earned all these badges. And look, I even met Rob. And so did my son. It's his favorite person. Don't worry, my son's hair's not that color anymore. I think today it's pink. I got to visit Garfield and find Garfield statues in Ohio. Or actually, that was in Indiana. I got to meet Dale and Barb. I made my first 50K day. Here's my dog, or one of them. There's been so many exciting adventures that I've gotten to do while on Munzee. Look, Brian's back there in the woods. Mom's playing on a park bench, and I even found an octopus. Oh no, something was scary. So one of my other favorite parts of Munzee is being able to spend time with my son. So we went on one adventure, and this is a short little video that we made during that time. It was pretty fun. Take a minute to watch, if it'll work. So here's this video that my son and I made on our adventure a couple years ago. When we went on this adventure, there were hardly any Munzees in our town. That's my grandfather's and my great-grandfather's and my great-great-grandmother's gravesite that we stopped to visit on our Munzee adventure. We've seen lots of crazy things. We've had lots of good fun together. And we've even enjoyed lots of McDonald's. So this is the map at the beginning of our Munzee adventure, and of course we had already done a lot. 3 years later, our map has grown. We've made a ton of friends, made a ton of memories, and honestly, I can't wait for more adventures with my family and my newfound friends. These are just a couple of the reasons that I love Munzee.